Is your bathroom relaxing and therapeutic? Do you ever spend time in your bathroom? Or are you in and out? What about, have you ever celebrated having a bowel movement? Comment below. Very few people are excited about having regular daily bowel movements. Yes. You heard that right. On the other hand, most people don't want to talk about elimination. Bowel movements are often considered something stinky, disgusting, shameful to mention, let alone discuss. Which team are you on? Do you celebrate bowel movements, or do you think it's shameful and inappropriate to discuss them? Leave a comment. In addition, most people are told by many healthcare professionals and believe that having a daily bowel movement is unnecessary. Even more, most people think that when they have a bowel movement, whether daily or a few times a week, that all the waste matter is eliminated from their body.
Lately, it has been common to hear people talk about doing a cleanse or detoxing. These terms probably started trending over a decade ago or so. Do you recall when you first started hearing people saying things like "I'm doing a cleanse this week" or "I'm doing a 7-day detox"? Since these terms started trending, it seemed that only certain groups of people know what cleansing and detoxing are and actually cleanse and detox as a routine and as part of their lifestyle. While many people still seem to not know what cleansing and detoxing are and who these practices are for, those who do know might look sideways at those who do not know for not knowing, wondering if they've been lost in space somewhere. Not to worry. If you still don't know what cleansing and detoxing are, or who they are for, we are here especially for you. Welcome to Medi-Date. Today, we want to break the bowel movement stigmas, talk about them freely, and learn more about cleansing and detoxing, so subscribe now and let's upgrade your well-being journey together. And be sure to hang out with us till the end because we have a bonus surprise for you. First, let's talk about what is cleansing. Cleansing focuses on what elements we intake into our bodies. It is about intaking nutritious food and abstaining from consuming non-nutritious elements. Cleanses hydrate the body and cleanse our interior body on a surface level. Cleansing is a lifestyle. The way we eat should be cleansing. Cleansing is what aids us in eliminating daily. Doing a short-term cleanse, like a 10-day cleanse or a 30-day cleanse, and then intaking elements that clog up the body systems afterwards, is counterproductive. For example, eating fruits is cleansing because fruits are high in fiber. On the other hand, starches as well as animal products, such as meat and dairy, which lack fiber, clog up the body systems. So, remember, intaking fibrous foods regularly is key to maintaining a clean internal body system. Why eliminate every day? Here are some important reasons. 1. Uneliminated waste continues circulating in the body producing toxins and negative energy. 2. When we eliminate toxic load, we reduce our fat, thereby we lose excess weight and maintain a healthy weight. This removes a great deal of strain on our body, and of course, losing excess weight greatly reduces our chances of developing disease. 3. We eat every day, so why not eliminate every day? There's no need to carry around yesterday's waste. Once again, eliminating daily removes toxins from the body and prevents unpleasant moods, common discomforts, and illnesses. 4. Not eliminating daily trains the body to be constipated. It is important to respond as soon as we get the urge, so that our stool can exit smoothly. 5. Take control of your digestion and health. Tell your body when to eliminate. Don't let your body tell you when to eliminate. Avoid the anxiety of eliminating in public restrooms. 6. Carrying around uneliminated waste causes body odor. Subscribe, like, and share.
How to eliminate every day. Before, we discussed that the period from 4 a.m. to 12 noon is called the elimination period of the day. Being mindful about what we consume in general and eating a mindful breakfast, specifically, during this period will ensure healthy, timely, regular, and smooth bowel movements daily, therefore cleansing the body. If you missed the mindful breakfast, check it out here.
Now, let's talk about detoxing. What is detoxing? While cleansing is about what elements we intake into our body, which cleanse on a surface level, detoxing is about what toxins are being eliminated from the body on a cellular level. Detoxing is a body maintenance plan. Detoxing restores the functioning of our tissues and organs. Holistic health professionals educate us that all sickness begins in the colon before it spreads to other parts of the body. The purpose of the colon is to expel toxins and wastes that it collects from other organs in the body. When waste matter sits in our colon, it allows proteins to putrefy, fats become rancid, and carbohydrates ferment. Even with one bowel movement per day, you will still have at least 2 meals worth of waste matter putrefying in your colon at all times. This is also why it's important to fast in order to cleanse the body and give it a break from constantly processing and digesting elements that we intake. Follow us to learn more. If the colon is not operating efficiently and not kept clean of encrusted toxins and waste, then, as we said before, it will begin recycling waste back into the body, which will absorb into the bloodstream and accumulate in our organs. So, excuse us for saying this, but when we hear people telling each other you're full of it, unfortunately, they are not exaggerating. The longer your body is exposed to these conditions, the more your body is exposed to dangerous intestinal toxins, causing disease as well as lack of mental clarity and more, as everything in our body is connected, and one thing leads to another. Detoxing simply means deep cleaning your internal body, expelling toxins and wastes that are accumulated over time. Subscribe now.
More specifically, here are 10 reasons to detox. 1. Removes toxins. 2. Tremendously aids in excess weight loss. 3. Increases energy. 4. Builds immunity. 5. Prevents chronic disease. 6. Restores balance to the body systems. 7. Gives brilliant skin. 8. Stops premature aging. 9. Promotes mental clarity. 10. Increases sex drive. Here are also some common symptoms of colon dysfunctions: lower back pain, skin problems, fatigue, colds and flus, digestive problems, bloating, ulcerative colitis, diverticulitis or diverticulosis, neck and shoulder pain, brain fog or a hard time concentrating, sluggishness, constipation or diarrhea, flatulence or gas, Crohn's disease, colitis or irritable bowel syndrome, and leak gut syndrome. So, when is a good time to detox? Holistic health professionals advise that while you may detox at any time during the year, the best time to detox is when you feel a need to make a positive change in your life. Balanced with seasonal cycles is ideal. For example, just like our cars need maintenance, like oil changes and tune-ups every few months, spring cleaning isn't just about deep cleaning our homes, but also detoxing our internal temples, our sacred body. It's best to go with the flow of the seasons. The change of seasons is an excellent opportunity to allow ourselves to lighten up and eliminate toxins from our bodies. When you detox, you can expect to have more than one bowel movement in one day, so you definitely want to detox on a week that you will be home, to avoid getting the urge to eliminate in public and dealing with that anxiety. It is common for people to detox on holiday breaks or vacations. Many people even go on detox retreats, where the detox program and relaxation are built into their vacation getaway.
How to detox. 1. Use of herbs, specifically bitter herbs, and herbal teas heal the body. Certain herbs are successfully used to eliminate toxins from the colon, kidneys, liver, spleen, and more. 2. Intaking fruits, fresh leafy green salads, and fresh green natural juices are highly effective methods to eliminate toxins from the body. 3. Exercising or remaining active should be a regular part of your life. It is one of the best methods of cleansing and detoxing. For example, health professionals recommend walking at least 2 miles daily. 4. Hydrating. Lack of adequate water slows down metabolism, which inhibits healing, toxin removal, removal of old cells and replacement of new tissue, and hampers the function of cells and organs. The body cannot effectively remove toxins if it is dehydrated. Be sure to check out the best water for you, here. 5. Fasting 72 hours literally causes your body to eat up diseased tissues, tumors, inflammation, and toxins that are not conducive to health. The body can't regenerate itself when it's full of toxic chemicals, heavy metals, parasites, refined sugar, and processed foods. 6. Get enough sunlight, spend lots of time in nature, and avoid stress. 7. Follow a healthy sleep schedule. Follow us to learn more. It is important to note that if you have pre-existing health conditions, to consult with your trusted primary healthcare provider before you follow any detox or internal cleansing program. There are different detox programs to follow, so it is best to research and find the best program for you. What to expect when you detox? When you intake herbs that facilitate detoxing and elimination occurs, it is important to examine your stool. You may notice a variety of green pea-like objects floating in your stool. They are gallstones, which is a form of cholesterol, which comes mostly from fried foods and saturated fat. This is a positive sign, as this is your main goal. You may also notice lots of mucus and parasites, both micro and macro. Don't wait to go for a physical checkup and have your doctor examine your stool. Examining your own stool regularly is very enlightening, and it gives us great perspective on how our diet affects us. It also gives us a great guide on how to modify and improve our diet. Follow us to learn more.
So by now you are probably wondering who should cleanse and detox? Most people are miseducated or not taught at all about eliminating. It is optimal for everyone to cleanse and eliminate daily and prioritize detoxing seasonally, making it a lifestyle, especially if you care about your own life, health, youthfulness, longevity, and your loved ones. Remember, we eat every day, so why not eliminate every day? As a bonus, we want to share a delicious, easy, refreshing, and powerful green juice recipe to help you get started with cleansing and detoxing as a lifestyle. But first, remember to subscribe, like, and share. You may adjust the following ingredients to taste. You will need 8 kale leaves, 7 celery stalks, 2 mini cucumbers, 2 green apples or any other kind, 1 pineapple, 3 ginger thumbs, the juice of 2 lemons, a handful of mint leaves, and 1 cup of water. Wash all the ingredients very well, cut them into small pieces or cubes. Add the ingredients gradually into a blender and blend, and finally, strain the mixture to separate the juice. Of course, you may use a juicer instead of a blender. Here's to your health. We hope you learned a lot today. Be sure to tell a friend. Talk to you soon.